In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use VidIQ tags to get more views for your videos. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or someone who's just starting out, understanding how to effectively use tags can be a game changer for your video performance. Tags help improve your video's discoverability, making it easier for viewers to find your content when they're searching for related topics. So let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most of VidIQ tags to boost your view count. First things first, you'll need to head over to the VidIQ website. If you haven't already, go ahead and log into your account. If you're new to VidIQ, you might want to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the platform's features, but don't worry, we'll be focusing on the tagging feature today. Once you're on the VidIQ dashboard, you'll notice a menu on the side. What you want to do next is look for the option labeled Generate. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on Generate will take you to a new page. Here, you'll find a search bar that acts as your gateway to discovering the best tags for your video. This tool is incredibly powerful because it allows you to request VidIQ to generate a list of tags that are not only relevant to your content, but also optimized for better reach and engagement. Think of these tags as the keywords that make your video more searchable and visible. Now, in the search bar, you want to type in keywords or phrases that are relevant to the content of your video. For example, if your video is about cooking Italian pasta, you might start with keywords like Italian pasta recipes or how to cook pasta. VidIQ will then analyze these keywords and suggest a list of tags that are frequently searched by viewers interested in content like yours. As you review the suggested tags, it's important to pick those that are most relevant to your video. Effective tagging is all about relevance. You want to ensure that the tags you choose accurately represent the content you're offering. This not only helps in reaching the right audience, but also improves your video's chances of appearing in related search results. Once you've selected your tags, you can go ahead and add them to your video on your preferred video platform. Remember, using VidIQ tags effectively can significantly enhance your video's visibility, leading to increased views and engagement. So give it a try and watch your video performance improve. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful in understanding how to leverage VidIQ tags to grow your audience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks on boosting your content's reach. Thanks for watching.